Okay, it's reveal day. This is what we've been waiting for, right? We've done all the hard work. We've had plumbers, we've had electricians, we've had concrete guys. Honest to God, we've had more inspections than I've ever wanted in my entire life. But today's the day we get to give it back. But before we do that, this whole video series, I've been talking about the process and how we renovate and what happens behind the scenes. We have a few hours before we have to give back the property. Joel and Anna are there right now cleaning and putting the finishing touches on. Come along with me for a day. I have a few errands to run. I want to show you a few upcoming projects. It's going to be super fun. We're going to go see Don the Electrician at a job site that's really, really cool. We're thinking about rebuilding a house. That's awesome. And then we're going to go to a couple of our sites that we're just about to start the rebuild. So come along with me, and then we're going to go back to Diamond and we're going to give it back. It's going to be so cool. Let's go. We're doing a basement bathroom. This is a brand new bathroom we're doing. Wanted to bring you along, wanted to bring the viewers along so that they can see what happens properly when we start a bathroom basement. There's no plumbing here now. I got the plans. It's a small townhome. Come down the stairs. They want to do a
vanity.
Yeah, a toilet. It looks like a washer and dryer standing up. So want to go down?
Perfect. Let's do it.
Okay, so here we are. This is where we're putting it. We come down the stairs. It's a 24-inch vanity.
Yeah.
Then the toilet, and then a shower. They want to put a shower off there. They want to bury the meter, which is going to be a problem, I think, eh?
Yes, it will.
Because we need access to all of that.
Yep.
That's currently where they have the shower. You'd be in the shower, which is not ideal that it was drawn that way. So we can put the shower over here, put the stacking washer and dryer in here, and then you can take it out, put it on wheels to get access.
Access, absolutely.
That's fine. And then the shower can go here.
Yeah.
So this is a really good example of something was drawn, right? And if I just built it to plan without having you come and take a look, then, you know, it'd be a problem when you showed up to do the plumbing, right? Because we can't close that in.
Well, that or service. Well, you always want to think of the servicing of things later. If these guys have a blocked drain from the street to their house, then we have to take apart whatever you built here, and the people wouldn't be really happy to get our snake into here so that we can clear the blockage.
Yeah. We'll probably replace this ductwork here. That's seen better days. Thanks, Sean.
Hey, no problem.
I appreciate you coming out. So what we'll do is we'll get the plans updated.
Yeah.
And we'll get you here. We're starting this job October 15th.
Those are feeding upstairs. Is there a second though?
Yeah. The laundry tub's got 3/4 to it, eh? Nice, lots of flow.
Well, it's useless. It goes down to half. So, well, same with the hot water tank. It's got half coming up.
Does it really?
Yeah.
So it's code now to bring
and
3/4
and shark
and
lights,
a shark bite.
And this
is a great find. This is a great find.
Bent pipe.
Bent pipe. No, this is a great find. This needs to be fixed.
I always have problems, eh?
No, this is good because like, before we start a renovation, before we get into a renovation that's messed up, we have an opportunity to fix up all this stuff at relatively low cost when we're here.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like, to swap that out and make it good, to do the poly B and all of that. This is why we bring people in before we start swinging a hammer.
Yeah, and then you can explain to the people like why you're doing it and the potential of disaster when you just paid a bunch of money to finish your basement.
As always, bud, thanks for coming.
No problem, anytime, man.
See you at the next one.
Cheers.
So now we're at a demo job. We have already demoed the basement here. They're doing the bathroom today. This is another big project of ours. Come on in. I have to drop the shower valve off because Sean, who you just met, his plumber's coming here tomorrow to put this shower valve in. But let's go in and see how the guys are doing. Okay, let me show you what a basement looks like after it's been professionally demoed. And you'll see that it is amazingly clean. It's because that we have taken on this basement from basically the beginning. There was no other contractor here that messed things up. This is just kind of really a brand new start for us. Now, having said that, a homeowner, not the homeowner, but a homeowner did something in the bathroom, and we'll show you that, but it's been demoed. But let's just take a look at the space. Like, yeah, we have some hanging lights. You know, we just kind of threw these up so you guys would have some light, but this is really a blank canvas. You know, no one touched the concrete. This is just, we don't have to do HVAC, special HVAC down here, anything like that. But look at this P-trap. Look at where this P-trap is here off the ground, right? Look at this. There was a shower here that you literally had to step up to like this, right? Because a homeowner did this and they didn't want to crack the concrete because they didn't know what they were doing. This is why we use trades. But all of this stuff became, apparent. We'll fix all this up. This project will take about, 6 weeks. Definitely not like Diamond. Super excited about the guys upstairs, just doing a great job, leaving everything clean. Trades come down here, it's gonna be good. Step number 1, electrician. Step number 2, plumber. And then we'll throw this back together and it's gonna be amazing. All right, let's go on. We're actually gonna go talk to Don. Don, you met in a previous episode, he's an electrician. I have a really cool house to show you. Okay, this house has been abandoned for years. It's really cool, but we are gonna take this house and we're gonna restore it to the way it was back in the day. But just trust me, you're gonna love this. All right, let's go see Don. I've already told the viewers why we're here. The homeowner wants to keep this house. They want to rebuild it. It's been abandoned for quite some time. So it's going to be some fun footage in there for you. We want all new wiring, all new plumbing, but we're doing a demo first. All walls are coming. It's all plaster last.
It'll be all open for me to do electrical.
Everything that you need to do electrical. But I thought we'd take the viewer and, the Brian Balmer of electricians in there.
Sounds good.
Okay, let's do it. Let's take a look. Oh no, they locked this door?
It's not locked, there's something behind there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a piece of furniture or something.
Why? Hello? We will get in. Trust me. Yeah, let's go upstairs.
There's a faint aroma of urine.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I had an accident earlier today, but thanks for mentioning it.
Interesting. Well, it doesn't matter, it's all coming out.
Yeah.
Are we okay to all stand in the same spot?
You think we'll go through?
I don't know. There is a definite lean.
You call me fat?
Well,
You just call me fat.
the shoe fits. What is happening here?
Well,
Oh, the attic. To let the rats out. You are,
oh yeah, it's crazy.
yeah, you're taking on quite the challenge here.
That's what I do.
I don't even want to get near that mop. I don't know where that's been. So that's one apartment. So
Yeah.
how many did they have in here?
3. But I was told it was unlocked, so I'm confused now. I don't have the key. How are we getting in?
Give it a yank at the top. There you go. All right, away you go.
I get to do it? Hello? Can I borrow some sugar? Oh. Hello. Hi. Come with us. So here we are. Yeah. It's nice, eh?
Oh yeah, big dollar item there.
1971. Kenneth. This job done by Dad, Ralph Turpin, on the 23rd of 1971, October.
71.
Rod Turpin?
Ralph Turpin.
We have to go to the basement.
We do?
Oh, we have to. The homeowners are really nice. They really see this place finished. And so do I, to be honest with you. I think, like, if it's structurally sound, there's nothing that we can't.
No, I know. That's true.
Does the YouTube audience want to see Ryan and Don fix this place up and bring it back?
That's the question.
Yeah.
Pile of poop right by there. Awesome. I'm thankful that I don't have to
Demo it?
demo, get it ready for me, for my state. I'm glad I don't. I'm glad I don't have to do that. This just keeps going.
Yeah, no, it's gonna turn and we're gonna go down a long hallway to the cistern.
This the
Indoor pool? Yeah, that's where the animals are getting in.
Yeah,
that's where the animal died.
that's the animal died right there.
Oh my God. Okay,
And there it is.
there, we found it.
Found it.
You don't wanna see.
It's like a dog or a fox.
Well, look at the tail. That's a raccoon.
It's a big raccoon.
That's a big raccoon.
What do you think? You can do the whole house though. We can wire the whole house. We can wire the 2 units. It's all, if it's structurally sound, there's nothing.
Yeah, once you open it all up, you'll see if it's structurally sound and then go from there.
Yeah. The demo, we're meeting with the client this week or next week to talk about when the demo. We have the quotes. You know, they're all in the thousands of dollars.
Oh yeah.
Like it's very expensive to do a demo.
Yeah.
And plus we have to find out if Dustin Pools and find out if we need a permit to do the demo
Yeah, you might.
because it's pretty significant.
It's pretty significant.
Yeah, there's something in the whole house. Asbestos may be in there too. For,
We had to test it.
yeah, that's-
I don't know whether we tested positive. I can't remember. Okay, so that was a little snippet about what contracting in Ottawa is all about and all the different trades that we use and how we go about prepping jobs before we do them. That aside, let's talk about where we're going next. We are going to Diamond, and I could not be more excited to give this project back to the homeowners. It is September 20th, so it's mid-September, and the downstairs is complete. Joel and Anna, especially Anna, have been working really hard this week, cleaning the windows, cleaning the cabinets, doing those final paint touch-ups. They can move back in. Now, you would expect that this would be completely done, right? Like everything would be done. Well, not exactly. We had some problems finding the right concrete person, and we found an amazing concrete person. He did the work, and it's done. There's a staircase, but now the interlock people are there, and the railing people need to come back, and all of the finishings outside need to happen, which happens outside of my contract with them. I'm headed there right now. You guys are gonna come along. We're gonna go see what Joel and Anna are up to, and then we're gonna give this property back to the homeowners and they can live there. Oh, and by the way, all the city inspections are passed. So now it is an official secondary dwelling. It is no longer the secondary dwelling from hell. It's an amazing secondary dwelling, and they can now visualize themselves doing what they wanted to do in the first place, which is being close to the family upstairs and their grandchildren. I couldn't be happier. Let's go.